Since launching our powerful garden planner, we've had feedback from gardeners around the world asking for a better way to record what's going on in their garden. We've come up with what we believe is a super convenient, intuitive journal that's a pleasure to use.
The Garden Journal is a pocket-sized solution to tracking progress in the garden quickly and easily. Access it from a smartphone, tablet or computer. You can instantly upload photos and notes straight from your device. Its online interface means you can record as you work, building up a journal of exceptional detail that will help you to learn with every observation, note and photo you add. And the best bit, it's completely free to use. So let's take a look at how it works. You can access the Garden Journal by logging into your Garden Planner account and clicking the Garden Journal link. The journal is divided up by weeks. When you open it up, it automatically shows the current week, though you can choose to view a different week from the timeline up here. Let's begin by making an entry for today. In the box here, you can add your own notes, observations and ideas. Or click on any of the planting, watering, tending or harvesting buttons to record what you're doing. The tending button is further divided up so you can specify whether you've weeded, fertilised, transplanted, mulched or pruned. Let's say you're planting tomatoes. After selecting the planting option, start typing tomato and then select it. You can also record the variety you're growing by clicking on the number next to the plant name. The next step is to record the quantity and whether they were planted as seeds or plants. Now you're done, you can see that the planting button in the week view page has been updated. And as you add more records to the week, the action buttons and add buttons build up a visual summary of your activity. While at the top of the page, a glance of the timeline gives a snapshot of your weekly activity. Light green indicates planting, blue indicates watering, purple tending and orange harvesting, while the darker green shows that notes or photos have been added to that week. Okay, so now let's add a photo. The software makes this easy. Just drag and drop photos into the box or select photos from a folder. While on a phone or tablet, you can take a photo there and then for immediate upload. It's easy to change anything at any time. Select a day or directly select one of the action buttons. View the details, then change the quantity or planting method. Or select one of the plant symbols to clear that entry and start afresh. To edit an entry from a previous week, simply select the week from the timeline, then edit it to do so in exactly the same way. Efficient gardeners plan ahead, and the Garden Journal helps you to do just that. Click on a future week to add a reminder. Make a note to yourself, and you can add a related plant here. Once you're done, your reminder is logged for reference. You can edit or delete reminders at any time. You'll also find seasonally relevant gardening guides here as a source of timely ideas and to help you plan. Read more, look up other growing advice, then go back to the journal. Current and upcoming dates include a weather forecast, so you can plan the best days to be out in the garden, or for example to protect against frost. While weeks further into the future display typical highs and lows for those dates. As your journal develops, you'll be able to look back at previous weeks, months and years to see what you did when, gaining a better understanding of your gardening and learning from your own unique experiences. Or jog your memory next year by adding reminders for the following season. It's all very powerful stuff. To start using the Garden Journal for free, head to the Garden Planner website, then log into your account or create one. And this is just the start. We have plenty of new features planned and would love to receive your ideas too.
Go and have a look for yourself and you'll appreciate just how easy it is to use. I've got a feeling this is going to become my indispensable gardening companion. You can let us know what you think of the journal in the comments section below. And if you're not yet subscribed to our video channel, then please do so before you leave us today. Come on over and join us. Your garden will thank you for it. I'll catch you next time.